Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can recover deleted emails on Yahoo. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Yahoo Mail application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Now here at the inbox section, you can see many mails I have in my Yahoo. Now to recover the deleted mails, first of all you need to delete some of the mails that you want to, as I am going with the first and the second mail. Now to delete this, you just need to tap on delete icon on bottom of left corner. And with that, the two mails has been deleted from my Yahoo. Now to recover this deleted emails, you just need to tap on inbox icon, that is drop down and upside menu. There you will see all the option in the Yahoo. From this option you just need to tap on trash. Here you can see the deleted mails that I just deleted earlier from my inbox. Now to recover this deleted mail you just need to tap and hold the mail for a while. Now to recover this mail you just need to tap on move icon on bottom of the screen. There you will see all the option where you want to move this deleted mail, either inbox, all mail, spam, as we are going to tap on inbox. And with that, the deleted mails has been moved towards the inbox section. Tap on trash icon. There you tap on inbox. And there you can see the deleted mail has been moved towards the inbox section. That is, the deleted mail has been restored. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover deleted emails in Yahoo. Thank you.